There are over 30 to 50 different reports available with this program. I'm going to go on record as saying if you want it a certain way, we can make that happen for you. I'm just going to touch lightly on one report, and just to show you the access, very flexible, very dynamic. This is the employee detail report. You can pick the various departments. You can pick 1 to 2 employees, or you can pick all of them. You can set up the header options, the company name and the title. The signature line is a footer. This is where you put your logo, and you make the report consistent and professional looking. To adjust the time period, it's very easy to do. You can see right here, that's where it starts. You can adjust where it ends. And once again, you can pick all categories, or you can just pick 1 or 2, and you can report to the various projects as well. Just to show you what it actually is, this is a leave request summary report. You can see it's very professional looking. It's very clean. This, where we have Breeze 360, this would be your logo. It actually states the report that you're pulling. And then here I broke it up by departments. And this just happens to have a very detailed look. Date submitted, date approved, the employee. So you can see that you get a consistent look. You can really tell what's going on within your organization. You can see who approved what about the leave request, and any notes that were taken, you can see this as well. This is the employee detail report, just a quick overview. The same professional looking report for you to have availability.